Okay, so picture this. It's the most exciting day. You're going to sign all of your final documents for your house. That means you're probably gonna move into your house tomorrow. You sign everything, it goes great, champagne's poppin', your lender calls you and tells you there's a problem and you're not getting the house. That would suck. Okay, let's try to avoid that. Every time I meet with my clients and I pre-approve them, I give them this thing called their 10 commandments. It sounds very official, it is very official. So you have to think, when I meet with you and I get you pre-approved, I'm looking at everything. I'm looking at your credit, I'm looking at your income, I'm looking at how much money you have in the bank, and I'm telling you, you're pre-approved. You're pre-approved based on all of that stuff. So if anything changes, you might not be pre-approved anymore. So it's really important not to change anything. So that's why I give everybody this 10 commandments. So what it says is, don't change jobs. If you change jobs, I have to re-qualify you because now you have different income. Don't buy a new car. That's like the worst thing you could do. Now you have a car payment. Say you have a $500 a month car payment, you qualify for $500 less on your house price. Don't open up any new accounts. Lenders hate to see when you open up new accounts because more debt equals less house. Don't change bank accounts. You have to have your accounts open for a certain amount of time to buy a house. Don't co-sign for anybody. Even though it's not your debt, it's still a debt that's on your credit that you're responsible for, and we have to count that. It talks about not making any large deposits in your bank account. I see this all the time, like, hey Amanda, you told me I need all this money in my account. I need to get it in there. Well, lenders have to verify every dollar of your down payment. So any deposit that's going into your bank account, we want to know where it came from. If you put cash in the bank, we hate that because we can't trace where it came from. You know, maybe you're like a terrorist or you're laundering money or I'm bribing you to buy the house. That's what the government's thinking. So no large deposits in your bank account. So there's just a couple of the main things, but just think like, I'm approved now. I need to keep everything exactly the same. Keep living your normal life. If you use your credit card and pay it off, that's fine. Keep doing what you've been doing, but just nothing extra until you buy your house. And then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'm Amanda Ray with Guild Mortgage.